We have so many innovations. I think our farmers here will be able to learn a lot. Some of these technologies, as I said, include fit for purpose breeds, crossbred population. We have developed the Saiwa breed, fit for purpose for different production systems. We have developed pastures and fodder varieties for the different farming systems across the country. Farmers will be able to benefit from them, purchase them. As I said, we have a cocktail of pig technologies. We have the best breeds here. Some of these breeds actually you not find them elsewhere in this country, but you can be able to find them at our institute. You know, we have the bracharia grass, which has been bred over time in this country.
Currently, we have 60% fodder deficit in this country, and about 46% of that goes to waste because of various challenges, maybe post-harvest challenges, lack of storages, transportation issues. We are not doing well as a country. And during the last drought, we lost about 2.5 million animals due to drought. But if we could be able to address the issue of fodder, if the national and the county government could combine effort to address the issue of fodder, then this country, we can go far. We are happy with the CARI that they are trying to come up with new varieties and new combination of fodder that's going to suit different areas in this country, and this is the way to go. And we are glad what we are seeing today here. If only could be duplicated in our farms, down there at our farms, then we are good as a country to face the challenges of the future.